Hello guys, it's Volcon, and today I'm going to be showcasing Volcon Solutions' free undetected Fortnite cheat. Enjoy.
This the Game of Thrones, Yeezy not the clones. Elon with my rocket ship, it's time to go home. They served us before, since the day we was born. Anybody pissed off, gotta make a drink of urine. Now I'm Ye Kelly, bitch. Now I'm Bill Cosby, bitch. Now I'm Puff Daddy Rich. That's me, to me rich. What she said I did? And she said she ain't something I did. She gon' take it up the ass like a ventriloquist. I mean, shit getting swift. Since I had to roll in on the wrist, I'm the new Jesus, bitch. I turn water to Chris. This is what they did to Chris. They can't do shit with this. Got my kids in a fake school. We ain't.
Go, 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 go. Hands so good, she honorable. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go, 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 go. Hands so good, she honorable. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She ride dick like a carnival. Then her over having flashback, she gon' eat me up like a carnival. It's the way I pop it. I'm at the jump out my body, I remember to leave. I'm about to nut on her body and tell her whole leave. 50 mil stuff in the bag, tell the whole gang eat. The Jake and body, tell me who fucking with we. Oh, how like the color, I'm feeling. Dollar signs all of my dreams, I don't never see Z's. Wow, 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 this way. Cover my body like it's a disease. Wow, wow, wow.